Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about facial shaving for women. And not only that, I'm going to show how I shave my face. Basically the whole shaving routine. I know some of you might be thinking, doesn't shaving make your hair grow back thicker? Or is it even beneficial for the skin? Also, what about the breakouts? So let's just dive right in and let's just explore what it is, the myths, the benefits, the results, everything. First one is that facial shaving can help remove dead skin cells, peach fuzz and even out the skin tone. इनमें से, to be very honest, yes, it does help remove the dead skin cell. It also helps in removing the peach fuzz. Regarding the even out of the skin, it's not something कि आपको ऐसे करके हो कि yes, to even out my skin, I'm going to use facial shaving. तो उससे कुछ भी ऐसा बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा है हमें. इट कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प विद बेटर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. येस, दैट इज राइट. इट डज हेल्प विद एब्जॉर्प्शन बिकॉज जस्ट इमेजिन देयर इज वन लेयर ऑफ द hair on your face and now you're removing it, so whatever you're gonna apply वो और अच्छे से absorb होने वाला है. So yes, that is correct and that is super beneficial. The myth about it in Indian households is that the hair grow back thicker. So no, they do not grow back thicker. What it is actually doing is because we are removing the hair from the surface of the skin. तो जब वो वापस आते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है that it is growing back thicker, but actually there is no such thing कि अगर we shave our face तो उससे जो बालों की growth है वो thick आने वाली है वापस. So that's just a myth. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. And if I talk about myself, I've been doing this from about 2 to 3 years now. And how often I do is once in 20 days or sometimes once in 1 month. Like if I talk about now, तो अभी मुझे 1 month से भी ज़्यादा हो गया कि मैंने नहीं किया. That was kind of my laziness phase, कुछ भी ऐसा कह लो. So I didn't do it, but yes, today is the day जब मैंने 30 to 40 days के बाद I've done it. So it totally depends on how severe your hair growth is. And 15 days में एक बार भी आप कर सकते हो, 20 days में एक बार भी आप कर सकते हो. And if you are fine, then 1 month में एक बार. First, let me show you what all we need to have to start with the facial shaving routine. Earlier, I used this razor, so if you have this kind of razor, that would also be perfect. I've used that much quite a few times now, so I'm going to use this new razor that I have, and this one is also from Sirona. So this is a fresh razor which I haven't used till now, so I'm going to use this one. Aloe vera gel, because we need something moisturizing so that the razor can glide in smoothly. So keeping a couple of napkins handy because this is again we need it. To prep my skin before shaving, what I do is I avoid using any kind of actives like salicylic acid the day before I go with the routine, which means yesterday I did not use any active on my face. I just used gentle cleanser, gentle moisturizer, everything gentle. This helps prevent any sensitivity and irritation before we go in with the shaving routine. We do not want our skin to be irritated. We do not want our skin barrier to be broken before we go on with that. Now just stay here and see how I do it. Also, I'll be sharing some tips around it. So I've already made a bun and let me just secure my hair, these baby hair, with this headband. I do not have any fancy headband, so यही था मेरे पास, इसको हम लगा लेते हैं. And now I'll just quickly go and wash my face. I've washed my face with a gentle cleanser to remove all the dirt or the impurities. In my case, I have a lot of oil on my face, so I made sure that all of it is clean. My skin is still damp. I apply a layer of this aloe vera gel. Now this helps the razor glide smoothly and it also reduces that friction. I'll just apply it on one side of my face for now because ये वैसे भी ऐसे ड्राई हो जाता है, तो फिलहाल one side पे ही अच्छे से ऐसे लेयर लगा लेनी है. Before we start shaving, there are a couple of tips which I want to share. First thing is that we need to keep the razor at 45 degrees and not 90 or 80. ऐसे नहीं रखना है. We're just gonna keep it 45 degrees so that it's easy to glide, plus it prevents any cuts, कुछ कट वगैरह ना लग जाए, तो इसलिए हम थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे एंगल बना के we are going to use it. Second thing is that we are gonna shave in the direction of hair growth and not against the hair growth. We're gonna be gentle. इससे क्या होगा, इट्स गोना हेल्प इन प्रिवेंटिंग द इनग्रोन हेयर. अगेंस्ट अगर हम शेव करेंगे, इट्स गोना गिव यू इनग्रोन हेयर, विच इज अगेन नॉट अ गुड थिंग. थर्ड थिंग इज दैट वी आर गोना शेव इन स्मॉलर सेक्शंस. वी आर नॉट गोना ड्रैग इट ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे एक ही बार में. वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड यू नो, सबसे पहले ऐसे एक छोटा सेक्शन पहले उसको कर लिया, देन नेक्स्ट सेक्शन वी आर गोना डू लाइक दैट. सो लेट्स शेव नाउ. I'm shaving after a good 1 month, so this is the peach fuzz. Wait, let me show it. See, this is the peach fuzz जो कि अभी निकली है, and you can clearly see the difference. Also, we are not going to remove these sideburns. इनको हम कुछ भी नहीं छेड़ने वाले हैं. इसको भी बहुत से ध्यान से I'm gonna you know, shave this side. नॉट गोइंग टू टच दिस, क्योंकि फिर वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब सा ऑकवर्ड सा लगता है. एंड देयर इज़ वन मोर थिंग, लाइक आई एम हैविंग एक्ने हेयर, राइट. तो ऐसा होता है कि 1-2 पिम्पल्स होते हैं, तो उसके ऊपर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस रेजर. वी आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी कॉशियस. हमें इरिटेटेड स्किन को और ज़्यादा इरिटेटेड नहीं करना है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. My one side is done and this is, and as I told you, we are not going to touch these sideburns. So मैंने यहाँ पे भी बहुत ऐसे carefully I have used the razor. This side as well I'm going to do the same. Aloe vera gel apply हो चुका है, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my skin like this, because एकदम ऐसे करके लूज नहीं छोड़नी है skin, so it needs to be a bit tight. So I'll just hold it like this, and again the 45-degree thing. Can you see that instant glow? I do have like this, see, I have these acne because of humidity. तो उसकी वजह से बहुत ऐसे acne issue हो चुका है. Even if you have acne, you can go ahead and you can shave your face. You just need to keep in mind that you do not have to use the razor over all these breakouts. That's all. So let me go through these smaller sections as well, like my forehead. इसको भी हम थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं क्लीन. We're not gonna touch the eyebrows. Eyebrows हम नहीं कर रहे हैं कुछ भी. We're just gonna do the forehead. So in these areas we need to be more careful, which means more smaller strokes. और ऐसे बड़े बड़े strokes नहीं करेंगे, because in case you know eyebrow तक वो चला गया, तो it's just gonna ruin. So I like to go over my nose as well, though obviously there are no baby hair or something like that, but the sebaceous filaments, तो वो ऐसे smooth हो जाएगा. Wait. Also do my upper lips. Yeah, I'll do it with this only. वैसे I prefer for upper lips, I prefer threading more, but since we are already doing it, so why not? So now that we are done with the shaving, what we are going to do is we are going to wash this razor, और उसके बाद इसको थोड़ा से सूखने रख देंगे, ड्राई होने. इसकी जो भी लिड है उससे इसको क्या कर देंगे, कवर अप कर देंगे. Shaving is done. I'll also wash my face with water, normal water, no cleanser, no face wash, nothing. So after shaving, our skin gets more sensitive. जैसे वो पहले थी उससे ज़्यादा sensitive हो जाती है. While my skin is still damp, what I'm going to do is I have one moisturizer plus sunscreen. That's something which I'm going to use, and it's actually a new product. मैं भी इसको पहली बार ट्राई करने वाली हूँ, बट आई डू हैव होप्स एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस, जो कि वैसे हमें नहीं रखनी चाहिए, बट बिकॉज आई हैव डन माई स्टडी. मतलब पहले मैंने ऐसे इसके बारे में सब कुछ पढ़ लिया था, देख लिया था, इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेक कर लिए थे. सो येस, आई थिंक दैट इट्स गोना वर्क. दिस इज एपिसॉफ्ट AC सनस्क्रीन. इन केस यू वांट टू ट्राई इट, यू कैन गो अहेड. फर्स्ट लेट मी ट्राई हाउ इट इज. एंड दिस स्टेप इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेट मी टेल यू कि आपने रेजर यूज़ कर लिया है, you are done with your facial shaving, then it's very very important to go in with a moisturizer and a sunscreen as well, because जैसे ही मैंने आपको बताया कि आपकी स्किन जो है वो और भी ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हो गई है. सो डू नॉट स्किप दिस स्टेप एट ऑल. दिस इज़ हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स लाइक आफ्टर शेविंग. इट्स रियली ग्लोइंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा, और थोड़ा बहुत तो वैसे टू बी ऑनेस्ट अभी थोड़ी देर में स्वेट भी आ जाएगा एनी विच वे, बट येस इट लुक्स सो मच हेल्दी. By following all the tips and being gentle with your skin, you can achieve that radiant and healthy glow on your face. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more content.